In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to factory reset a Google Chromecast. If you cannot cast your device on your Chromecast, we recommend resetting the Chromecast. Resetting your Chromecast will refresh the device and restore it to its factory settings. To reset with a remote, scroll along to the Settings icon. Then select System and scroll down to About. Press Select and scroll down to Factory Reset. Next, press Select on the remote. Scroll down to Factory Reset and press Select on the remote. To confirm the reset, scroll down and select Erase Everything. It is also possible to reset the Chromecast from the device. To do this, press and hold the button on the back of the Chromecast while it is plugged in and powered on. The light should blink yellow. Once the light turns solid white, let go of the button. Your Google Chromecast is now reset.